front of me. My enemies have tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly.
Hey guys, we are in Walmart. Yes. We are getting some last minute stuff. I'm vlogging on my camera. I don't have all my makeup on, but I just wanted to say we are at Walmart. We are like 30 minutes away from the campsite. Oh, did I mention we're going to the campsite for the day? And then we're driving back around like 5 o'clock. But that is what we're doing right now. Hi guys, I am starting the vlog here. Alright guys, nobody was enthusiastic. Alright, but anyways, we are going to Fish Eating Creek today, which is a campsite that we usually go to. So we're just going for the day because we rented it out and we have stuff already planned out for the night. So we're going for the day, we're gonna go canoeing, we're gonna have so much fun, and we're gonna vlog, and everything's gonna be fun. And I'm wearing a ski thingy, even though it's not cold in Florida, but I think it looks cute.
It's cold in Florida. 60 degrees is cold in Florida.
But it still looks cute though.
Thank you. Dad, you excited? Woohoo! Let's go!
Quick update and everything. We have been currently arrested.
Alright guys, look what's behind us.
The police know what we got on us. It's
Dude,
over.
we just got pulled over for the cop. We were literally going over like 10 miles per hour, like nothing.
Right after the whole, woohoo, we're ready.
Dude, no, there was a cop
We weren't ready.
standing right there just staring at me the whole entire time. Like that was kind of scary, that's kind of scary. Alright guys, to explain what the situation was. We were literally going 10 miles over the speed limit, over like the bridge, and yeah. So like, he didn't even do anything. But there was a cop right there watching me the whole entire time. I was gonna record it, but like, he was so scary.
Sitting here like this, he's all like, hey.
He had his hands on the car and everything. He was like, yeah, we're good, we're fine. And yeah, it's a funny story now that we could tell in the future.
Yeah, we're good, we're fine. It's only $125 ticket. I got you, bro, and everything. I'll pay your whole, like, you want your car insurance taken care of? I got you.
Brandon's over here balling, or iconic.
It don't matter.
If I told you that you I'm so what?
We are here after like 20 hours and after everything that's happened to us on the way here.
We experienced
There's
hardships along the way.
What the heck is on my leg? Yes, but we are finally here at Fish Eating Creek and we're gonna have so much fun and yeah.
Roast you alive.
Let's go. Get over here, boy.
I'm about to start a campfire with this boy.
Look how much Brendan missed us. He's sitting there.
Dude, the beard is majestic, man. When you sit here and you stroke it, you think thoughts of another level. Sometimes I sit there and I'll be like, I'll stroke.
You just ripped your pants.
I'm so sad about this. Some excessive tree climbing can lead to pant failure. This is disappointing. The limit. Very acid.
Becca, I need your height.
No problemo. Genesis. The smart worker. Oh, my bad.
Where's my...
Come on, try this lime thing.
Lime. Wait, this isn't a lime.
What the?
This is an orange. This is a lime disguised as an orange.
Look at how stable 4K stunning HD is. Get down, break dance.
Ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight.
My name is Andrea. People keep confusing the color of my shirt with salmon. Alright, so this is where we get back to my favorite part, where we call it the iconic talk of the day. Genesis, do aliens exist?
No.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Aliens do not exist in the world of Genesis, which is wrong. Andrea, how do you feel? Answer the question right, please.
I'm an alien.
Wow! My world has been open today, ladies and gentlemen.
So, Andrea randomly ends up on a stand-up paddleboard. Andrea, don't die.
Oh, I'm about to destroy your whole life. You don't understand.
I didn't get it on camera.
Only North Koreans have ties.
Doing that, that's dangerous.
We definitely just had a race on our canoes. Well, they had a race because I'm not doing anything.
Let's go, we're not in the
It
lead
wasn't even
anymore.
a race because it was more like a slaughter because we completely destroyed you guys.
I'm literally doing nothing. I'm just sitting in the canoe, just chillaxing. This is nice. Pokemon, gotta catch them. Pokemon.
Gotta catch you. Welcome to our journey. We begin with the Hippolodontus, an animal reborn from time. You notice the orange hair on its head. It's used as a way to attract. Yo, watch out for things. Yo, watch out for those fucking watermark things, man.
I'm dying. Literally, we're about to get stuck, so he puts Pirates of the Caribbean. So we just got off the canoe.
We're out.
What? Okay, so now we're gonna go get some awesome burgers because I'm starving and it's like 3 o'clock. We haven't had food and we were lost.
We're about to chow down.
Yeah, and we just washed our hands and I don't know what else to say. So we are at this train, just taking a bunch of photos. We're hipster and cool.
Oh, I thought it broke for a second. No, come back now.
Alright guys, we had such a great time at Fish Eating Creek. It is
So much fun.
It was so much fun. It is
so much fun.
5:43 at night and we are going home. And yeah, it was so much fun. We went canoeing, we did so much, and yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to be you and be happy. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye. Try to run with cat with me. Bat.
stack, hat,